In this video, I'm going to show
How you
you
can
share your alive location on Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very
so
end
you don't
make any mistakes. Let's get started,
And
guys.
if
Your stuff, you need to open up Messenger app. After that, enter a conversation. Then top right here,
Add
this plus button and select location top. Now guys, basically in order to start sharing our location, we just need to top right here at this button. And it will immediately start sharing your current location with the selected user. For an hour. So here it says that 59 minutes remaining. So it will automatically stop sharing your location after that time has passed. And also, you can manually stop sharing your location by tapping at this button. Basically, guys, save this video was helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button.